Okay, so start the lecture. In previous lecture, we can observe that the introduction of the automation and the benefits and the applications where we can use the automation. So today we can observe the one standard hierarchy of the automation. So here you can observe this is most innermost layer of the automation system, and the basic components that we can use in this level is the field devices like the sensors, push button, actuators and the lamps. So basically the device are directly interface with this plant. Okay, so at that times we can include some required types. Okay, and so here the first level, there are the different level of the automation hierarchy, the 5 level that you can observe here, and these levels are working in the, or we say that whenever we can performing the some automation or we can generate the one system with respect to the automation, then at that time we can maintain the some different levels, and the automation hierarchy will be showing you how you can generate the automation process by using these different methods or the different levels. So the first level we can observe that is the field level. Actually in the field level you can observe that it is very innermost system of the automation. The basic components of the field level is that is a sensor and the push button and the actuators as well as the lamps. So basically when we can include all these type of the sensing devices, and this type of sensing devices will be provide the electrical or the non-electrical parameters conversion into the form, and they can be digested by the process controller. So basically this type of the field level may directly connected to the supervisory level, and we can continuously observe or notify the conditions of the field level. The second level here we can observe that we called as that is the control level. So the control level is nothing but that is the intelligent process controller, or it is the one type of the process controller. So either PLC we can use here, or the any simplest method, for an example any embedded systems we can also use to process or to control the level. The next level is that is called as the networking level. The basic purpose of the networking level is to provide the connectivity between the controller and the supervisory level. Means the networking level is used basically to provide the connectivity in between this field level and the, it means in the field level we can use the supervisory, okay, and these supervisions we can control by using the control level. So basically the control level and the field level, whatever the operations that we can be performing in both these level, they will these operations we can be connected by using that is the networking level. Okay, so the networking level uses the standard Ethernet protocol for the communication, and the industrial protocols we can also different types of the industrial protocols like Modbus, then the control net, then Profibus. These are the different standard Ethernet protocols we can also use for the communication to the control level and the field level. Next level that we can observe that is the supervisory level. In this level we can whatever the field data, the field level data that we can monitorize through this supervisory level, we can also store the result and control the signal or control the data of the field level by using the some machines like human machine interface, that means HMI, then SCADA, that means supervisory control and data acquisition system, and some DCS method also, that means distributed control system. Okay, and the last level is called as that is the management level. So in the management level we can observe that it is very uppermost level of the automation hierarchy, and it is interface with the supervisory level to monitorize the field data. It also analyze the data, and with respect to that it will be planned for the production, sales and services. Okay, so this is the basic automation hierarchy And from this hierarchy we can understand that how we can generate the one automation plant, and through this plant how these different levels are work. That means field level, control level, networking level, supervisory level, and management level. Okay, thank you.